All right, so I'm gonna do a quick review on pop-on veneers. Uh, Me as a younger person, I did not take care of my teeth very well. They rotted like they are horrible. So I don't have thousands of dollars. So I looked online and went over a ton of reviews before I made my decision, and all the reviews seemed pretty good. So I ended up getting on a payment plan, pop-on veneers, and the whole process took about 2 weeks total. Still learning how to talk in them, but I got the natural white one. People can't even really tell they're more than unless they're like 2 feet away from you. Once they're like 3 feet away from you, they can't even tell. But yeah, I got on a payment plan, and I'd say it's one of the best decisions I've ever made. Definitely worth it.